charged with assault on a peace officer or judge with a repeat offense enhancement allegation. Your range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life.
American Justice Vault.
All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 1546 and 2022 CR 1543, State of Texas versus Sean Foster. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Sparks.
For the defense?
Charles Bond.
And are you Mr. Foster?
Yes, ma'am.
I know you. You've been in court before. Okay,
Never misses a day.
never. Mr. Bond, I'm showing you what's entitled Discovery Acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in each of these cases? And did you review those with your client?
Yes, we have and we did.
All right, and each of the cause numbers, just one moment. I'm so sorry. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each of the cause numbers, Mr. Foster, I'm going to show you documents entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, sir.
All right, just one moment. Let me find the other indictments. This is the second indictment. Did you review that one with your attorney as well? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, please whisper. State and cause number 2022 CR 1543. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I believe so, Judge, if that's the assault on a police officer.
Yes.
Yes.
And you're proceeding with the repeater enhancement allegation? All right, and then in cause number 2022 CR 1546, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we're only proceeding on count 1. We're going to waive count 2 as well as the repeater enhancement.
Any objection?
None.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
In cause number 2022 CR 1543, you're charged with assault on a peace officer or judge with a repeat offense enhancement allegation. Your range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life, and a possible fine up to $10,000. In cause number 2022 CR 1546, you're charged with possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams as a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In all of these cases, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
In each of the cause numbers, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering plea bargain agreements in these cases, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in these cases?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to these offenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Foster, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter pleas?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the state is requesting that your sentence be assessed at 5 years in the prisons. There are no applications. The cases will run concurrent. The state will take in consideration 2022 CR 1544 and 2022 CR 1545. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defenses
Yes,
of the plea bargain agreement state.
Yes, Judge.
The only addendum, Judge, would regard is what's written by. Yes,
Yes.
Judge. Correct.
Defense, I'm showing you the paragraph. I'm sorry, Mr. Foster, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there being such motions?
No.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargaining agreement. If you fail to appear for sentencing, your plea will stand. And if after reviewing the evidence, I find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty and you don't appear for sentencing, then you'll be subject to the full range of punishment, which is up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Do you understand? Then in cause number 2022 CR 1546, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in cause number 2022 CR 1543, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Judge, state offer state exhibit 1 and all attachments in both cause numbers.
No objections.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, in each of the cause numbers, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses, statements, and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Then in each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept in its evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. And in cause number 2022 CR 1543, how do you plead to the enhancement, which reads, and it is further presented in and to said court that before the commission of the offense alleged above on the 24th day of July AD 2012, in cause number 2012 CR 5868W in Bear County, Texas, the defendant was convicted of the felony of possession of a controlled substance, felony group 1 gram to 4 grams. Do you plead true or not true to that? We're not on the record for when are we bringing this back?
We're gonna get a date after we finish.
All right, what date? How much time is your client asking for?
I'm asking till the end of August when I'm back in town.
Okay.
As you pointed out, he's always here. He is wearing a monitor, so we know where he is. He's not a flight risk.
All
He has
right,
no intention of stepping out on this good deal.
all right. Ms. Ferguson, can you give me an August date, please?
And Judge, it won't print the judgment. This is the court of martial. I don't know if I can give it once file 360 will load the judgment. I don't know if I can give that to you at that
Or
time.
do you all have just the printout that shows what
His,
the charge is and
You,
that
will that be
that
okay?
it was sentenced? Yes, if the defense has no objection. Okay. All right, defense, the file 360 is not working.
That's fine.
And so they're going to give a printout if there's no objection from the defense that shows what he was convicted of and what the time was.
There's
Are
no
you-
objection.
Okay.
CR 5868.
I'm still not able to print out just the details on the showing the conviction and what time he got. All right, we're back on the record. And state, are you offering into evidence the B page that shows the conviction in cause number 2012 CR 5868W?
Yes, Judge.
Defense, do you have any objection?
None.
All right, then the court will find in cause number 2022 CR 1543, the court will find the defendant guilty. The court will find the enhancement paragraph true based upon his plea or true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. In cause number 2022 CR 1546, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. And we will return for your sentencing on August 25th. You need to be here at 9 a.m. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
Just these, Judge.
Thank you.
Nothing else from the defense, Judge. Thank you.
All right. And state, then I will sign these dismissals once he is sentenced.
Okay, Judge.
So I don't. All right, just get your reset form and then
The
your
courtroom
excuse.
fell quiet as the weight of what just happened began to settle in. Sean Foster stood there, having just admitted guilt to 2 serious felony charges, one for assaulting a peace officer and another for dealing a controlled substance. These aren't minor mistakes. These are life-altering decisions. And in that moment, everything came down to a single choice: accept responsibility now or risk losing everything later. What makes this case even more powerful is the history behind it. This wasn't Foster's first encounter with the system. The enhancement, his prior conviction, changed everything. It elevated the stakes from serious to potentially devastating. He wasn't just facing prison, he was facing the possibility of decades behind bars, even life. And yet, despite that, the deal on the table was 5 years. 5 years for assaulting a peace officer, for drug distribution, running concurrently. That number might sound small compared to what could have happened, but that's exactly the point. This was a calculated decision, a moment where risk met reality. Because if he had rolled the dice at trial and lost, the outcome could have been irreversible. But here's where the real tension lies. This story isn't over. The judge made one thing crystal clear. If Foster fails to show up for sentencing, everything changes. That agreement disappears. The protection of that deal, gone. And suddenly, the full weight of the law, up to life in prison, comes crashing down. So now, the clock is ticking. Between now and sentencing day, every decision matters. Every move counts. Because this isn't just about punishment anymore. It's about accountability, follow-through, and whether someone who's been here before is finally ready to break the cycle. And that's the question hanging in the air. Will Sean Foster show up and face the consequences he agreed to, or will one wrong move turn 5 years into a lifetime?